So, good morning, everybody. My today's topic is optics, and we'll start from ray optics because optics has two branches: ray optics as well as wave optics. Okay, as you know, light behaves in two ways. That is, there is a dual nature of light. Dual nature of light. Okay, it behaves as well as a particle, and also it behaves like a wave. Light মানে যেটোক আমি অপটিক্স ব্ৰাঞ্চত ৰাখিছো পোহৰ দুটা ব্যৱহাৰ আছে দুটা ইয়াৰ নেচাৰ আছে প্ৰকৃতি দুটা আছে পোহৰৰ সো ডুৱেল নেচাৰ অফ লাইট বুলি হেকানে কোৱা হয় এটা হল পাৰ্টিকুল লাইক বিহেভিয়াৰ এটা হল ৱেভ লাইক বিহেভিয়াৰ মানে লাইটে পাৰ্টিকুলৰ নিচিনা বিহেভিয়াৰ দেখাব পাৰে অথবা ঢৌৰ নিচিনা ৱেভৰ নিচিনা বিহেভিয়াৰ দেখায় So, light is nothing but electromagnetic wave. আমি এতিয়ালৈকে স্কুলৰ লেভেললৈকে যিমানখিনি পঢ়িছো লাইট বিলাক ৰে অপটিক্স পঢ়িছো আমি জিওমেট্ৰিকেল অপটিক্স বাট একচুয়ালি লাইট ইজ এ ৱেভ যে কিছুমান পৰিঘটনা আছে যিবোৰ পাৰ্টিকুলাৰ লাইক নেচাৰৰ সহায়ত আমি বৰ্ণনা কৰো এবিলাক হল ক্ৰম্পটন এফেক্ট ফটো ইলেক্ট্ৰিক এফেক্ট তো বাকি ৱেভ লাইক নেচাৰ বিলাক আলোচনা কৰিবলৈ হলে আমি কিছুমান পৰিঘটনা লম হেবিলাক হল ইন্টাৰফিয়াৰেন্স diffraction polarization all are included as wave like behavior এইবিলাকে wave like behavior to বৰ্ণনা কৰে এই ঘটনাবিলাক interference হোক diffraction হোক polarization হোক এইবিলাক আমি wave like behavior toৰ পৰাহে বৰ্ণনা কৰিব পাৰিম we can explain these phenomenons with the help of wave like behavior of light right on the other hand Crompton effect photoelectric effect all are can be explained with the help of particle like nature of light this is important so that is why we say that dual nature of light right so light is said to be dual nature of light দুটা দ্বৈত প্ৰকৃতি আছে পোহৰৰ ই কেতিয়াবা কণা হিচাপে কাম কৰে কেতিয়াবা ঢৌৰ হিচাপে কাম কৰে তৰংগ হিচাপে কাম কৰে ঠিক আছে so in your syllabus first part is ray optics মানে ৰশ্মি geometrical optics ray optics to আলোচনা কৰা হৈছে so we'll discuss about this part up to school level you have got some so we will discuss about ray optics right the first branch that is ray optics we'll discuss ray optics okay so it is in the second part of your syllabus দুটা part আছে first part of তোমার এখানে ইলেকট্রিসিটি লেখা আছে second part of electronics ray optics and atomic physics এখানে বস্তু সোমাই আছে ঠিক আছে so up to school level we have utilized the formula that is 1 by u plus 1 by v is equal 1 by f so we have utilized much more আমি এই ফর্মুলাটো দি বহুত অঙ্ক কৰিছো this is the formula for reflection by spherical mirror as you know spherical mirror বৃত্তাকাৰ দাপনৰ সহায়ত যেতিয়া প্ৰতিফলন ঘটিব তেতিয়া আমি এই ফৰ্মুলাটো আমি পাম we'll use this formula but how to develop this formula how to obtain this formula this is included in your higher secondary syllabus how to obtain keneke pam ami formula to so this is important we have utilized this formula we have utilized u v and f as you know u v f mane ki ami jano amar jodi duta dia thake etu uliabo parim ami kintu formula to kor pa ahe that is important it is included in your syllabus of higher secondary syllabus let us see establishment of this formula for a concave mirror. So first topic is to establish this equation for a concave mirror, right? Let us see the concave mirror. This is a concave mirror. You know, uh, this side is painted, এই সাইডটো রং করা হয়েছে বা সিলভার পেইন্ট করা হয়েছে যাতে পোহর পার হয়ে যাব নোৱাৰে. So this side reflects, that is why it is called concave mirror, right? If we use the other side, this side, for reflection, then it is called convex mirror. উত্তল দাপন, এখন অবতল দাপন. So আমি এটা চাম অবতল দাপনত এই ফৰ্মুলাটো কেনেকৈ এষ্টাব্লিছ কৰে. So you know that C is the center of curvature, ভাঁজ কেন্দ্ৰ. এইটো যদি এটা বৃত্ত হয়, so if this mirror is a part of a circle, that right. So this is concave mirror, and we have to find out how to establish this. I will sort out. If you have any confusion, then I will clear it later. And C is the center of curvature of this concave mirror, and F is the focus, this is focal point, and P is the pole. As you know, pole, meru boli ko ami okhomiyat, pole is the pole. Focus is in between center of curvature and pole. Always remember. So focus is always at the middle of center of curvature and pole of the concave mirror. And now, if you want to establish this equation, then you have to draw, and you will be in need of one object, right? Let us place the object here. AB is the object. Okay, so one parallel ray which is parallel to the principal axis. This is principal axis. After reflection, will pass through the focus, right? This is you should always remember that all the parallel rays, that is which are parallel to the principal axis, this is principal axis, after reflection from the mirror will always pass through the focus, as you have got in your school level. This is important. Then another ray, if we consider, then after reflection at pole will pass, will be reflected in such a way that it is this is image, and you see this ray that is after reflection. Okay, let me draw again. Okay, it should be straight line, no problem. You should use scale while drawing ray optics or geometrical optics diagram. You should always utilize scale and pencil, otherwise your diagram will not be correct. Okay, so this is the image. Suppose B dash B A dash A dash B dash. Okay, so second ray, this is the second ray. Second ray after reflection from P will be reflected in such a way that this angle should be equal to this angle. So this angle is incident angle and this angle is reflected angle. As you know, from the principle of reflection, there are two laws. The one of the law is that angle of incidence should be equal to the angle of reflection. So you should draw like this. You should draw this ray in such a way that this angle should be equal to this angle. So they will, both the rays will cut here at this point. So this point is the image, tip of the image. Okay, so this A dash B dash represent the image of the object AB. Up to this you have got in your school level, nothing. Now you are to just do some simplifications. Suppose C is here, so that you can establish this equation. So first of all, let us see these two triangles. This is figure 1. Triangle ABP is similar to the triangle A dash B dash P. A dash B dash P. Okay. This is object triangle and this is image triangle. Both are similar. Okay. So if these are similar, then what you will have? You will have some relations A dash B dash by AB is equal PB dash divided by PB. Okay. From these two triangles, you have these relations because both the triangles are similar. এই ত্রিভুজ দুটা সদৃশ হোৱাৰ বাবে আমি এই সম্পৰ্কটো পাম A dash B dash এইডাল divided by AB এই ওপৰডাল so is equal এই triangleটোৰ পৰা ল'ব লাগিব আমি PB dash divided by PB. So this is geometry. Okay. Now what is PB? What is PB? So let me show you. In this case, PB is the image object distance. Okay, object distance. PB, P para B, a distance to all object distance. That is U. Exactly not U. This is minus U. Okay. So according to sign convention, you must give minus sign because the P points should be considered as the origin. So if you consider this to be a graph paper, এখানে যদি তুমি গ্রাফ পেপার বলি ধরা এফালে আহিলে মানে নেগেটিভ হ'ব ইফালে গলে পজিটিভ হ'ব so this is negative so you should consider this to be minus u. Okay, that is this is the object distance, this is u, and since it is in the left hand side of P, that is why negative sign appears. Similarly, PB dash is the image distance, as you have already got. It is minus V. It is represented by V. So this is the image distance V. Okay. So image is formed here at this position. That is why V is the image distance. So in this equation, what we will get? A dash B dash. That is A dash B dash divided by AB is equal PB dash. In place of PB dash, you have to write minus V, and in place of PB, you have to write minus U. That is V by U. Okay. Say equation number 1. Okay. This is equation number 1. So from these two relations, you are getting this equation number 1. Now let us consider this point to be K. Okay. If K is very close to P, যদি K point to P point খুব ওচৰত থাকে, if very close, what will happen? KP will be a straight line. যেতিয়া এটা straight line নিচিনা হ'ব কি কাৰণে চোৱা যদি এনেকুৱা হয় এটো P এটো K আছে so this is a curve. If K is taken a point lo মই K to লৈ গ'লো অকমান curve to কমিলে ইয়ালৈ K to লৈ গ'লো আৰু কমিলে ইয়ালৈ K to আনিলো আৰু কমিলে এইখিনিত K to আনিলো so this is almost similar. Okay, if K goes to P, go towards P and is very close to P. যদি K point to P ৰ বহুত ওচৰত থাকে তেতিয়ালে KP ডাল এটা straight line ৰ নিচিনা হ'ব আমি কনসিডাৰ কৰিছো যে এই KP টো বক্ৰৰেখা নহয় কার্ভ লাইন নহয় ই এটা straight line. Okay, this is straight line. তেতিয়া কি হ'ব, what will happen, then this will be a triangle. It is a triangle hobo. In that case, now you see, if this is a straight line, then we can consider this to be a triangle and this triangle is similar to this triangle. Now triangle KPF is similar to the triangle CA'B'F. Triangle A'B'F. You see this triangle, A triangle two, or A triangle. কি কারণে সিমিলার হবো, সদৃশ কেলে হবো, এটা যদি স্ট্রেট লাইন হয় তেতিয়া এটা 90 ডিগ্রি হবো আর এটা 90 ডিগ্রি, আর দিস ইজ অপোজিট অ্যাঙ্গেল, দিস টু আর অপোজিট অ্যাঙ্গেল, এটি বিপরীত কোণ আর এটা 90 ডিগ্রি এটা 90 ডিগ্রি, সো থার্ড অ্যাঙ্গেল কিটা সমান হবো, যেতিয়া তিনিটা অ্যাঙ্গেল সমান হয় তেতিয়া হলে অটোমেটিক্যালি ট্রায়াঙ্গল দুটা সিমিলার হবে মানে সদৃশ হবে. So if they are similar, then from the relations what we will get, A dash B dash divided by KP is equal A dash B dash divided by KP B dash F is equal to B dash F, and this side PF B dash F divided by PF, because this side is included in this triangle. Okay, this can again be written as A dash B dash KP. In place of KP we can write AB. Okay, A point to A hoy AB logot KP homan on parallel line it, so we can write AB, right? So B dash F, in place of B dash F we can write B dash P minus FP. B dash P minus PF. Okay, B dash P minus PF. এখিনি যদি এই দীঘল ডালৰ পৰা এডাল ছুটি ডাল মাইনাস কৰি দিওঁ PF, তেতিয়ালে আমি আকৌ এইটো পাম. So B dash P গোটে দীঘলটো minus FP বা PF. So this B dash of what আমি এটো লিখিব পাৰো. So this is PF. PF আছে আগৰ পৰা. Okay. Now I'm writing here A dash B dash by AB. A dash B dash by AB ঠাইত আমি কি লিখিব পাৰো, V by U. Okay, is equal B dash P is equal what? B dash P is equal minus B minus PF. PF is equal what? PF is equal C. PF, this is nothing but focal length. Again, focal length is negative of F. Focal length is represented by F since it is towards the left of P. যেহেতু P লেফটত আছে গতিকে ই নেগেটিভ হ'ব, ঠিক আছে, it will be negative. So in case of PF you have to write minus F. Okay, PF again minus F, right? So now V by U is equal minus V plus F minus F. Okay, let me do here. Okay, after cross multiplication, what you will get? Minus VF, you cross multiply, is equal minus UV plus UF. Okay, UV is taken towards this left hand side, UV, and plus minus VF is taken towards that side, VF plus UF. Okay. Now divide this equation by UVF. Okay. Dividing this equation by UVF. 1 by F is equal 1 by U plus 1 by V. It is dividing both sides by UVF. উভয় পক্ষক UVF এৰে হৰণ কৰিলো। UV যদি মই UVF এৰে হৰণ কৰো কি থাকিব? UV ক্যান্সেল যাব, থাকিব F। VF হক যদি মই UVF এৰে ডিভাইড কৰো কি থাকিব? VF ক্যান্সেল যাব, থাকিব U। UF হক যদি মই UVF এৰে ডিভাইড কৰো থাকিব অকল V, গতিকে V হ'ব। So this is the required equation for reflection of a concave mirror. Okay. The problem is that an object is placed at a distance 10 cm in front of a concave mirror of radius of curvature 15 cm. Find the position, nature, and magnification of the image. So here given R is given 15 cm, right? Therefore, F is equal 15 by 2 is equal 7.5 centimeter, right? And what are the other points given to you? U is minus 10 centimeter. Okay. So F is equal, actually for concave mirror it is minus, negative. It's F is negative. Okay. So you have to find out V, since you do it V 1 by U is equal 1 by F. So you are asked to find out V, right? Plus U is equal minus 10. F is equal minus 7.5. That is 15 by 2. Minus 15 by 2. Right? So find 1 by V minus 1 by 10 is equal minus 2 by 15. Right? So 1 by V is equal 1 by 10 minus 2 by 15. Okay. So it is 30. Okay. 3 minus 4. Right. So it is minus 1 by 30. Therefore, V is equal 30 centimeter, right? Minus 30 centimeter. So, since it is V is equal minus 30 centimeter, that is your object is at 15 centimeter here. So, image will be 15 centimeter. Okay. Image will be at 30 centimeter. Double. Object to jiman durot thakibo, image to tarke 2 times durot thakibo, 30 centimeter paiso ami. Ebar kuliabo kose nature, eta negative. So mirror khonor efale bohibo, left ot thakibo. Negative hogane mirror left ot thakibo. So magnification M is equal minus V by U, right? For concave mirror, remember the magnification is negative, minus V by U. So you put the value of V and U. What is the value of V? The value of V is equal minus 30 and value of U is equal minus 10. So negative will be cancelled, minus will be cancelled. It will be 3, minus 3. So magnification is minus 3. That is the nature image is inverted. Okay. It is real image because after real intersection of the rays will produce the image. Okay. So nature is the image is inverted and it is 3 times larger than the object. So magnification to bujaise poribordhon to je image to object to koi 3 times dangor, 3 times larger than the object. Okay. So in this way you have to solve the problem. So many problems you have done in school syllabus, school classes. I think it will remember you all the problems. Okay. So we have got the position and magnification 3 times larger, and nature. Nature is inverted and real. Okay.